Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. My microphone was off.
Oh, yes. Yes, Delon. How are you?
I'm good, and you, sir?
Fine, fine. How was your holiday?
It was okay, so it was fine, refreshing. Okay.
Refreshing.
Yes.
Where did you go? Where were you in Zim?
I was in Harare, sir.
In Harare.
Yes, that's where I was.
Okay.
Yes.
And then this year, tell me, you are done with which year are you doing?
Uh, in terms of, I'm done, sir, now.
You are done.
Yes,
You've
I'm done.
submitted all your work.
Yes, everything is done, everything is perfect, everything is completed.
All right. And then tell me now, after graduation, what are your plans?
After graduating,
Yes. When are you graduating?
I think it's around May.
Around
Okay.
May.
Yes, I've been around May. They haven't given us the date, but it's usually around May.
So what I want to know is, after graduation, what next? What is your plan? What have you planned? Because I always get surprises from those who are doing internship.
Um, as of now, I was still planning just to go ahead with Coxygen and uh, 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 um, Wims, just to
Tell
yes.
me your uh, uh, development progress with Coxygen.
Yes. As of right now, I can use I'd say most of the Coxylib functionalities is I'm familiar with it now. Um, Other stuff might be in terms of development, maybe technical development wise. Yeah, I would say the Coxylib. That's where I'm getting much of my experience from.
Can you teach others smart contract development in Coxylib?
In terms of my knowledge with smart contract development, I would say I would have troubles explaining the what do you call it, the scripts, the smart contract scripts, the ones that we use Helios with. What do you call it? I'm forgetting the names. You know, the buy sell scripts
Yes.
is yeah, creating such scripts using the Helios playground. I think that's where my knowledge like ends because that I don't really understand it fully.
How is Israel? How good is Israel?
Uh, Israel is, I would say, he has potential in terms of like technical aspects. Is I definitely has potential in technical wise in terms of coding and also character wise is really good. I mean, it does show up when it does communicate with me. Is so far from the Coxygen people, Israel is the only one that I can say I'm dependent on or I can rely on.
And then when I look at the stake pool development, the stake pool, how far are you with Israel on this one?
On this one, okay. On the last time we discussed, we said we'll find out information. He wanted to find out exactly what stake pool was, so I'm assuming he did his research on the stake pool, he watched the videos because he really wanted to know exactly what it is and how we can create it and any information regarding it, regarding the stake pool. So I haven't communicated with him yet. I told him that I was going to discuss with him on Monday, but then unfortunately on Monday I couldn't make it in time because there was some delay, there were some issues when I was traveling.
Well,
So today, definitely, I'll have to contact with him and we'll discuss exactly what he's find out, like what exact information is he gotten and what information can help us progress with the stake pool. Yes, I think that's the last time I spoke to him was last time I spoke to him. I think was like last week or not seven. I told him that by next week I'll begin.
where does Israel stay?
Is is it Town Fontaine I
All
don't
right.
know
It
really.
doesn't matter because we are on virtual
Yes,
platform. So,
yeah, but then it's accessible in town. Like you can travel in Johannesburg.
all right. Let me tell you what I need. I need the stake pool running. This information about the stake pool you guys brought in, the videos. I have no time, but you need to set up the stake pool, do everything, do all the testing. I think the best way for you guys to do that is to go to the office. You
Oh,
and Israel. The two of you, if you can go to the office every day. At the office there, then we can put computers. Then you can run it, test everything, connect everything. But it's gonna take you some time to learn this networking thing.
the networking aspect.
Mm. This stake pool thing. For me now, I have a dilemma now. Where to keep you most, because I need you most on Coxygen or Coxylib. I need you most on Coxylib on this one here. Let me share my screen because we need to market this now live and get customers already. This one here. This Cardano property solution. Right, this thing, you guys, I don't know how far you managed to test this. I built this using Coxylib. Can you see my screen?
Yes, so I can.
So Israel is also doing fine, is done, also is finished.
Yes, I'm out. Yes, he's finished. Yes.
All right. I don't know how good he or she how good he is on Coxylib. Because I don't want people who are learning. I want people who are going to take this thing to the next level. And then we just use the Coxylib like I'm showing you here. This thing is a Coxygen thing.
So can you also send the link?
Yeah. Let me send a link to you. The stake pool, the stake pool, I need it. But now the problem is I need you also, I need this more than the stake pool now. I don't know who else we can get onto the. What happened to Billy?
Honestly, say I don't know. He didn't respond to some of the messages that I sent to you.
Let me check. Where is he? What is he doing? Let's see if he's going to reply. If he can come and move up with the stake pool, and then you guys, you now focus for the next, now is what, January, for the next 12 months, you focus on these projects that we have. Like, for example, this one. So if we test this one, we go to token markets. Then we should be able to buy tokens here. We should upgrade this. You see, it's working. Do you see that?
Yes.
So which means I'm buying two assets at 150, 152. So if you look, I'm paying this amount. Let me see if it will allow me to pay. I think it's going to crash. They did allow me to pay. So I've bought these two assets. See, it's awesome. Awesome. It's working straight. Sometimes it has issues and errors. But now it worked fine. What I want is, after buying these two, see this PID 41, it must disappear. So this TX hash is FFE9. So the moment this transaction, this is PID 41, which account am I using here? I'm using test 10. Let's check. What I want, because I need some improvements on this one, like I've bought there. When I reload, this one must disappear because I bought the two. This one must disappear. It mustn't allow me to buy again. If it is allowing me to buy again, that is very strange because it said there were only two and I bought them. You see, 1 minute ago, I bought these assets. P88, look here now. I bought PIT 41, but let's look at 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago. But the asset I got, look at the asset I got. It's PIT 82. So which means there is a little bit of an error. The way is PIT 82. 80. Is it the last one? 87 is this one. 87, 84, 81. Do you see how funny it is? It's a slight error there.
Maybe it's gone already because you've purchased. I mean, you've bought the asset.
No, but this is still FFE9. Let's repeat again. Buy here. See if it is going to allow us to buy. And then if it does, what will it allow us to buy? Do you see now it is crashed?
Yes.
Because look here, cannot read underlying one by Coxygen here. Read one. This one, the reason is it has consumed the UTXO. We should get somewhere here. Right, you'll see it will say UTXO not found, which that UTXO sitting there. Right, do you see this message? Token was not found. That is correct. The token, you see, token was not found. Token, then it consumed that. So if I come here, I must get that to 80. What is what? 80. Which means I'm not sure which one is true. It's this one. Now here I got 88. Let me check here. 82. It's not yet on my. Right, let's check the UTXO there because I can see P80 82 share token 300. And then let's check the UTXO. Right. Inputs is this one. Outputs is this. Right, where is the contract address? I think it's this one here. Yes, smart contract address is this one. So now that token was on the smart contract address. And then now you can see it has come to my address. You see here, these two. 82, they are on this address, V2JZ. Let's check that one. It's not this one. Should be another one there. Yeah, is it this one? Oh, yeah.
82.
So I don't know, why am I having 120,000 here? Oh, this is not the one here. Because when I look at the, what do you call it, the policy, it's different.
I don't think it went to your wallet.
Right, let's check the address. V2J set. Yeah, must be here. It will appear after some time. This is not updated. Those token. It is not updated. If we really want to see that token, we come here. which is this wallet, but this wallet now is on the blockchain. If we inspect this wallet, let's use this. Right, that is the address. Now let's check what if it has got those assets now. It's got assets. 66,000 quantity, which is this token. Where is the 82, 81, 82? There it is. There's 5 million of this. Yeah. There's 5 million of this 82. Oh, this thing is very complicated. Very complicated. So the policy of the token is this one, 7C63. $88. Seven F9 82. I'm not sure what is happening here. This thing needs to be fixed because I don't even understand what is happening here.
It's not appearing on the.
It's not appearing. You know, I've been using this for quite some time now. They are, but it did move because that thing is Explorer is not telling a lie. It is on this wallet address. It's taking care of assets, transaction. 10 minutes ago, you see this 10 minutes ago, this wallet received, see there it is, it received PID 82. There it is. Inline tattoo. It received this, there it is. The smart contract. And it lost 300 ETA. So if I count the assets this address has, it has this one 87 or 82. You see this 82 has got 120K. It has 85 property reference token, 81, 86. And then this one is there. It is there. You know, this thing is complicated, but you can see it is there on the wallet.
Yes.
It will show after some time when you do another transaction. If you want to see Let's go to another wallet like what is this one? Eternal. Let's go to Eternal. Where is this extension? What I want you now, especially you, Israel didn't work a lot on Coxygen last year. Am I right or wrong?
No, I did actually. I was one of the people who was working with it. Who was working on the Coxy,
Lip.
the Coxy library.
Oh,
Yes.
right. You need to work with Rito. Rito has improved a lot because there is that donation app for Rito. You also worked on it.
Yes.
Let me tell you the opportunities that we have. So I want to engage you, Israel. I'm not very sure. But if you are recommending him, the only people who were very consistent is you and Rito and Prefina. These other ones, they were maybe at some point in time on and off. Let me check the token list. Let's see the tokens that we have. Right, let us look for that 82. This one, 87. And this is what we have, all of them. NFTs. Right, let's go to another account. So I'm going to activate account. I don't know which account we were on. Let's try this one. Let's try the token list. That one is not correct. Let's go to the next one. How many do I have here? 2, 4, 6. I need to go up to number 10. Manage other accounts. See? This thing needs a password. All right, so we can't use this. It needs a password. All right. So, but what I'm telling you, this thing is working. This is the Coxylip that is, we are using all this. But remember, the Coxylip, the way it is now, I have not yet made it user-friendly. I was concentrating on getting it to work.
Okay.
That is what I was running after. Adding features to make it work. So now what I need us to implement it in different right here. Let's go 3. Right, even this one was not found. So which means all these 15, they've been consumed. Let me come back here. Last one. Yeah, you see this one also has been consumed. Now let us sell one and then buy it back again. We go to resell tokens here. Okay. We are going to resell 82. Sell 100 at 28 each. This should work without a problem. Oh yeah, 100 at 20 each. Do you see this works fine?
Yes.
It doesn't give any issue. So our next task is to go to the listing now. Let's see how fast it is to get to the last part. Right, let's give it just 1 minute. This side, I've lost 100 from this 82. I've lost 100. You see now I'm left with 900. Yeah. So it has gone to the smart contract, and then we should see it coming here. There it is. This is working fine the way I expect it to work. It's working fine. You can see that. Let's buy. We have got how many 100? Let's buy using another wallet. This is working fine. With this one, we should really make money out of this. If we fail to make money, we are very stupid. Other Cardano communities don't have these things.
Such programs.
They don't have. But they are making a lot of money. For us, we should target the industry. Yeah.
So is it going to be marketed only for Cardano, ADA, or is it going to be for like each crypto?
I will show you the use cases. This is a selling houses use case. This is selling houses use case. But we can sell anything online using this. Let me use Lace Wallet to try to buy. See, there is working. I must pay 60 ADA. Correct. There it is. Do you see that?
Yes.
And I'm getting 3 of this. Yo, this thing is working. This thing is working. It is working. There it is. Look at this. We are here. TX send. So here it failed to deliver the last transaction, but didn't show any error. You see here, this on-chain, it's all white, it's not brown. There is no error at all. Everything went fine here. I'm not sure why it says failed. I have no idea. Let me check this wallet. Some of the problems, most of the problems are wallet problems. because you'll see this wallet failing. Do you see? It failed. It failed. It failed. So this wallet failed to buy. Sometimes it fails once, I run it twice, then it becomes fine. Let's try it again. Let's go to this side. Let's try it again. So it's a matter of fixing these problems, these bugs. The bugs are very small. They are fixed. We can fix that. See, it builds up everything perfect. You see, the on-chain part is 100% okay. When we submit now, the wallet fails. You see, do you see?
Yes.
Try checking consolidator. It fails here. This side it says done, but we do not get the TX back for this happening, which means something did not go well. Everything this side is okay. All right, if you want to see, we are going to change now. Let's go back to this wallet. We are going to change the wallet account from this wallet account 0 to account 1. This is another account. Let's check how many tokens are. This is a 3,000 now. But let's check with this one. You will see it will work with this one. So that is why I'm telling you it's the wallet accounts. Right, let's sign this one. That is the surprising part. Some of these things I can't explain why let's do this. Do you see what I was telling you?
Yes.
Do you see what I was telling you? The other thing that I need the Coxygen to move to Discord.
The Coxygen global.
Yes, the coding part must move that side. We can leave here just to call people. For this thing here. I'm so happy with this. Very happy with this. Now, let's check now. This thing must be 97. We need to go back and buy and put those 3 back on sale here. But the last one must be 97. Perfect. Do you see what I was telling you?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh. So now we are going to put back those 3 here for sale. you will see they will have a different transaction, but here it will be the same, PID 82. It will be quantity 3. And then the other thing is going to be the same. The minting policy is going to be the same. Right, that is what we need to go into. We go to token resell. Okay, let's come here. See, for now, the 82 is not reflecting because you see the blockchain explorer, the text time, is not yet reflecting here. But for now, we can be selling some of these. 5, 3, 2, 4. Let's sell 3 of these ones here. Sell them at 25. Right, let's go. See. Okay. Just see. So the selling part. You see, this marketplace you guys you were struggling with. Here it is. Remember when I said sell NFTs?
Yes, I remember.
But here now I'm selling shares of houses.
It's literally the same thing.
You were thinking and saying that it is not possible. Some people even left Coxygen. But look, it's working. It is working. It is working perfect. When people are testing and are failing, it's because of the wallets they are using. So now we should find it under token markets here.
So say
Look here now. Look, here is the 3. But remember, I now went for this one here because this one was not showing. If we go back to resell, this one will be showing now to show you that the Explorer has what? There it is, 82. There it is, you see. It is the Explorer. I don't know. The Explorer delays being ready because of the mining. That is the one issue. Then the second issue is the wallet delays updating. That is why my app decide it will update after certain transactions have happened. Like what you see here. It's perfect. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. So now what I want to do, this one, what I want to do, instead of people always scrolling to the bottom for the latest ones, I want these latest ones be at the top. And I want them to show the latest ones from the oldest to the latest. So that is the upgrade I'm going to do. So that whenever anyone sells, the latest ones are at the top. Because when people want to buy, they will always scroll the top ones, mostly. You must show them the old ones and the latest ones, like that. Because in this case, it is putting the latest one here. So that is an improvement that I'm going to do, but everything is working.
I think you did also mention that you would need to implement that feature for filtering by price, by date.
Yes. Those are things that you guys can add. Simply JavaScript filtering here. So that when I come here, but sometimes I don't even know which prices. But remember here, I'm not even showing the prices here. I only see the price when I'm selling. Let me show you here. The moment I am buying, then that's when I know what price it is. Like this. So you see this one. This one is 25. And then this one, this one is 25 also. Let me check this one. They can't all be 25. Then that's a mistake. That's a mistake. Can they all be 25? No. It means maybe I have to reload the page. They can't all be 25. Let's check this one. I must be seeing different prices. Okay, this one, token validation phase. This one, I can't buy that one. I don't know why. Let's go to this one. Also this one. Let me go back to this one. Ah, very strange. It's 25. Very strange. No, it's a bug. There's a bug there. That price is not correct. It is the wallet. Let's change the wallet. It's not showing the correct prices. Change the wallet. Let's go to NAMI. I'm very sure NAMI is going to show the correct prices. Let's come back here. Let's start here. Yeah, this one is 25. Oh, I can't believe this.
So everything is now 25.
It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. That all these are 25. I don't believe this. Why are they all now having the same price?
Is there a possibility that within the coding they might be simplified?
There is a problem. You see, this one is even giving me 2 when I only want 1. See that I get 3. There's a code error there. There's a little bit of an error there. But we should iron out all these things so that people are able to buy and sell. Right. Let me check one more thing here. Yeah. All right. All right. Let me close this and tell you what I want. Tell you what I want. So I want the people I know are able to code. It's you, Israel, and Rito. I don't know. Rito is better, but there is still a problem on smart contracts. So, which means we must run sessions for the three of you. But I need another lady who is going to code. Do you know any other lady who can code? I've
No,
never seen what Prefina does.
no. There's no one that comes to mind right now. I don't know any.
So which means I'll have to get the three of you. And then if I get the three of you onto full-time coding, because we have finished, guys. So which means every day from 10:30, you all go online and start coding.
Yes.
And then I give you situations. I need one more lady so that there are two ladies, there are two gentlemen. But now I don't know who is the other lady who was coding there. Didn't see what Prefina was coding.
So is it okay? But then but then you did say you're busy. Is there a possibility that maybe we can do it in person? Because
Once you take my time, you have to pay me
okay,
because what I'm doing is bringing in a lot of money.
yes,
You get my point?
yes, I understand.
I can't leave that money to come and teach you. You need to be able to code because I won't give you difficult stuff. The Coxygen, I've built it, it's there. But if you can be 4 or 5, hey, I'll be happy. 5. But who else are the potential ones? I'm thinking maybe the two people I have seen who are very potential is Posh and Daniela. I'm pretty sure they can catch up very quickly. Because remember, Coxygen is nothing but you just call the functions. The only challenge is maybe thinking like a UTXO like that. I have 5, or I leave the 3 of you like that. Let Daniela and who is this one? Poch do Haskell. Then it means I'll see on the Haskell side who I can find. Haskell smart con. You know what? I have a feeling that we are going to get big jobs. Big jobs from other companies. I have that feeling. You know why? Because of what we have. Because of what we have.
Companies would request smart contract applications.
Come again?
They said companies which would need
Yes,
applications with smart
yes,
contract development. All right.
yes. Even in Cardano. Even in Cardano. Remember, the moment you are able to do smart contract development, these other developments like develop a website becomes very easy. Becomes very easy, very, very, very easy. You saw that property, that Cardano property solutions.
Yes.
It is very fast. It is very user friendly. It is neat. From your side, what do you think?
It is neat, just some few minor adjustments here and there, but then from what I see, yes, potential. Definitely
Yes.
is potential.
Yes. Remember, at the moment it's a demo. So as a demo is what it has to be. The moment I move it from there into production, then definitely I'm going to do some upgrades because people are going to be paying money for that. So here I was just implementing the Coxlip on the real estate part.
um,
But what I like, I'd never used a framework. I didn't use React, didn't use Next.js, didn't use all these frameworks because the frameworks, they slow down your code. That is number one. Number two, the frameworks, they are good for big applications. Frameworks are good for big applications. But for us, for now, let us target small to medium applications. Why? Because we want to do something very quickly. I don't want to get a project that is so big that it will take me 3 years, 4 years to finish. We are not yet skilled to reach that level. So the best way, let's get a small to medium projects. Something we need to be able to do within a month, finish. Within a month or two, we are done. And people must start making money out of it. Okay, so I think I'm very happy so far. The moment you guys, you graduate, but you guys from now, you need to be working full time so that at the end of the month, you have got what? Stable income. I don't want you to be fluctuating on income end of the month. That is you, Delon, Prefina, Reto at the moment. And Israel. Israel is a matter of you talking to him because you have defended him. It's a matter of you defending him, but let's make it a point that the four of you become the pillars of coding for Coxlip. When it comes to coding, any smart contract, you use Coxlip, hook up everything, get it to work.
Is Prepina also involved in the Coxy?
Prefina, I don't know what coding, how good or where she is about coding. So maybe for Prefina, the only thing we can keep her on is looking after new developers. Then the four of you, you push coding full time. So that, you know what, there are so many smart contracts that we need to develop. I will be there for the first maybe sometime, which to help you catch up very quickly. So I am very sure when we are working together, I'm very sure you will develop, you do a lot of nice things. That is what I'm very sure you will be able to do. You'll be able to do very nice things. Up until I get some other people better than you, at the moment, I don't have anyone better than the, let's say, Rito, you, and said Israel. Israel, I haven't seen anything yet. I want to see something from Israel. So, which means I'm talking about the three of you. Rufina, I think we will, Rufina, I don't know what she can do.
Well, she's more involved in the non-technical aspect of
Yes, so she can help run run meetings, because what is giving us more money and everything is source code. There is giving us a lot of money, source code. So, but now I've got you, Reto, and you said Israel. Who is the other one? I'm pretty sure Xavier is trying a lot, because when I'm speaking to him, when we are doing demo, when he's doing demo, Xavier knows what he is doing. He's catching up very fast from Nigeria. I think I can put Xavier in the group. Yeah, Xavier, I won't leave him out. I won't leave Xavier out. Definitely, I won't leave Xavier out. So, Xavier, I'm going to put him in. He's putting a lot of effort on testing. So everything you guys are doing, Rito is more fast and good in testing, in writing documentation. Xavier, I saw most of the things that he was doing. It was testing.
So
Yeah.
yes, I almost forgot. I wanted to ask about the documentation aspect. Was I done the documentation last year, just before Christmas, and then you said there were issues with my documentation. I just wanted you to correct me exactly where I can improve, that next time when I have to do it, I'll do it correct.
Yes, I remember the documentation that you sent me, Delon. Let me try to click it here. I remember then I sent you this one for Rito to say check that one. I don't have a link here.
Oh, I think I uploaded it on the.
But if I had a link, I was going to click and see it straight.
Oh, I
Right?
think it's up there. There's a link up. You sent the link.
You saw a link.
Is upload. Yes, this is.
No, but this one, when I click, it won't run you.
No. I was saying the link, the Jimba.co.za. I think I'd uploaded something. I don't think it's.
See, this is not what I want. I want when I click the link, then it opens that documentation. All right. Here, let me show you here how it should be. It should be like this. Right. I'll tell you the problem with this one. The problem with this one, you see this space? This space.
Yes.
Why are we having a big space here from here to here? And then this side, why are we having a big space here? See, that space is wrong. Must be at least like this. Now, this format is okay. What is missing here is the details. Rito, everything, I like it. The menu on the left, I like it. The pictures and the steps order, there. You can follow this. But what I want now is the details. That is what I want. Details.
Details such as?
I want a complete coverage of the application. See this one here, it doesn't cover everything. It doesn't cover everything. And here again, why are we having line? Line must be at the end. The other thing that disturbs me is this big space here. It's like, I don't know why we are having a space here and a space here. I wanted to, you see, this markdown is very good, but we need to format it in such a way when somebody comes here, is going to say, wow, it's going to be interested in the what? In this thing. And then also now, we need to add the videos to help a person go through this. It is better than what was there before, but we can improve on this a lot. Yeah. So for you, go and check yours. Check it versus this one. You say Cardano properties.solutions.co help. Then you will see. Or once you go to Cardano, whatever, you click the help button there. You see, once you are here, click this help button. Then you check yours versus this one here. Must be better or equal to this one. If you are still not sure, well, I'll have to find time and show you how to use this. Let me see if Billy is coming or is not coming. What is starting at 9:30? Let me get ready. I will call you before 9:30. Starting at 9:30. Okay. Just woke up now. Finished watching the video. Let me get ready and then I'll call you before 9:30. Anushka. Okay, let's make it. Because I have a meeting. All right. Says, I think I'm currently waiting for my payment to be processed. End of, okay. All right, let's hope by end of January, Bill is going to come. If he comes, I want him full-time on the stake pool. Then I need developers. All right. Anything from you? So what this helps me with now, guys, I'm just going to go and plan a program for the whole year with you inside.
Okay.
You get my point?
Yes.
I don't want surprises whereby after some time people disappear. Where are the people? They are gone. What is the problem? They were not communicating or whatever. It's a very big drawback for me. That is why I want you, as you move up, I need some other what to call it, people who are going to be behind you. So that if any of you leaves, then I get somebody to replace. Because I'm going to have companies, we are going to be developing complex things. I'm going to take you for some training. But before I take you for some training, you get together. You see, every 10:30, get Israel, yourself, Prefina, 10:30, Reto, start working, Savior, the 5 of you. Let me count again. Reto, Savior, Prefina, Delon, Israel. 5 of you. I don't have anyone. I've got Daniela and Posh from the other group. But these ones are smart. Those two are smart. When I spoke to them and I was reasoning with them, they are smart. Yeah, they are smart, but their challenge is they don't have the background of Coxygen. They are going to spend a lot of time having problems with the Coxygen. So, because remember, now this year we got funded for 16 universities. It has already started, and hey, we have lots of people registering. It has already started. It's very busy.
How many are there so far?
Let me show you. You see Coxygen Global Telegram alone. It is 45 now. They are registering. So this one, I don't want the 5 of you to join this because it's the same thing. The only difference is here they are using Haskell. You are using Helios. You are doing the same thing. Helios is faster. Why are these doing Haskell? Because remember, it's a Haskell funded project.
Okay.
And then when they finish, how are they going to be different from you? There won't be any difference. There will never be any difference. In terms of smart contract development in Cardano, the languages are the same. They all do the same thing. Helios is faster and easier. Haskell has more source code. I want a situation whereby if people come in with Haskell, because they will bring their source code in Haskell, we are able to do the Haskell. And then when they come without Haskell and say, we want a smart contract, we do it quickly with the Helios. And then the other language we are going to do definitely at some point in time is ICANN. ICANN, because there are lots of developers now for ICANN. There are 2 more languages we are going to do, ICANN and Lucid Evolutions. Why? Because if a customer comes and says, I want my application in ICANN, then we do ICANN and Lucid. Says, I want Haskell, do Haskell and Lucid, or Helios and ICANN, Helios and Haskell. So all these options are there. ICANN and Helios, ICANN and Lucid, Helios and Haskell, Haskell and Lucid. So those are the trending languages that I know most people are there. I don't want the Coxygen to collapse if Rito. Currently now Rito has got no students. So the best thing, you guys go to Rito now. She has no students, and the 5 of you or 6 of you got a lot smart contracts. Help each other to know the left, the right, up and down of Helios smart contract. That is what I can advise you for now. Once we start having lots of students coming in, then we are going to create a group for beginners. All the beginners who are not going to fit. Actually, what we are going to do, I will tell you what we are going to do. The Coxygen Global, we are going to keep it the way it is, but it will be the 6 of you or the 5 of you. Xavier, Delon, Rito, Prefina. Who is the 5th?
So Israel.
Israel, yeah. Can you write those names down? But now you will be doing advanced smart contract documentation and testing with the Helios and Coxylip going forward. When newcomers come in, then Prefina must just, get them and introduce them. The reason why I need strong development from you guys on Coxylip. I'll be joining you. If I find other people who are strong, for example, if Posh and Daniela are very strong in coding, and they are not interested in Haskell, because for the Haskell project to go, I need 30 new people from Richfield, 30 new people. So if we get them, those ones are going to run with Haskell Bluetooth. And yeah. All right, I'm done from my side. Any question that you have?
Yes.
Yes.
With other programs such as, okay, I just need an update on other programs such as the podcast.
Yes, the podcast, we are doing it. You need to buy equipment. Yeah, go to Rito or Prefina for the equipment that you need to buy. And then the other thing, you qualify for a laptop loan from him. So if you don't have a good laptop, the laptop is giving you problems or whatever, then go and shop for a good laptop. Then
Okay.
you give me, you see, the people who qualify as you, Rito, Prefina, Israel, I've got no. Israel must come to me and show me how many times I paid him and what he did.
Okay.
For now, I don't think I will put him there for now. But he will be in your groups to work. You qualify for that podcast equipment, mic, webcam, webcam. What was the other thing? I want you to have a good laptop, ne?
Yes.
So what you do, you need to look for a laptop that is 8 gig RAM, that is got SSD, that is got i7 or i3 or i5, Dell, and then a webcam and a mic. So you'll come to me and tell me how much it's going to cost. I'm going to send you the money or buy it straight. All those who are in South Africa, you just come and show me where it is. Buy it straight, keep all the invoices. Then you get the laptops and everything. Then as you work every month, I'll be paying you. Then I'll be deducting bit by bit from what you are getting until it's fully paid.
Okay. So with the podcast, is there specific topic or niche that we are targeting?
The podcast, you guys, you need to answer that question. Are you with me?
Yes.
There is a questionnaire that is going out there for the podcast. Let me just look for it. Where is the podcast? Let's go.
Because I did see
The form. Did you fill that form?
Yes, I did fill it up.
Yes, that is the guiding on the podcast, how it's going to work. Now, how the podcast is going to work, this is how I want it to work. Trying to get that form, see how many people have filled in. I'll tell you the biggest problem that we have now. I think we need to sort out this problem of lack of, what do you call it? Lack of community. We don't have a community. So without a community now, it's a bit of a challenge. We need to have a community so that whatever we are doing moving forward, then the community is there. Otherwise, when there's something I need to do here, I need to make a call. I will need to make calls. I'll need to make calls now. I've just remembered. But let's stop it for now. Let's stop our meeting.
Okay.
Because I have to make emergency calls